And this is for Euclidia. No, that was the last take. End of story. I don't care how authentic that shout sounded. I'm tired, it's late, and I'm not getting paid enough to sit in this recording booth and dub over my own lines. We'll do a reshoot tomorrow. I am very aware that the director won't be happy with that, but think about it. Who are they going to come down on? Their A-list lead actor or some sound tech who can't work a stand mic? Potato, potato. I'm leaving. Good luck tomorrow. You'll need it when you're explaining why this scene still isn't done. I'm not listening, so why don't you stop following me? March straight on back to your little booth. Put those stupid cat ear headphones on and do whatever you gotta do to fix this before I make you hurt. Was that a rim shot? Do you think this is a joke? Oh, I'm sure. You know, all it would take is one word from me and you're gone. Over. Career finished. So why don't you just get out of my way before I get rid of you? What the f do you think you're doing? Wait. I'm going to Ugh. How the f are you doing that? If you think I believe even for a second that you aren't censoring me, you've got another thing coming. You know what? No, I still don't care. Bye-bye. Where did go? Alright, enough is enough. I do not want to be here. I don't want to be around you, and I'm getting a headache from the bleeping sounds. The prank's over. Let me go. See, maybe if I was the one giving that performance, I would have actually believed it. But you are a terrible actor, sweetheart. Stick to your day job and get me out of here. Less talky, more getting rid of the infinite white void. You really mean to tell me you don't have anything to do with this? So what then? The director set up a bunch of sound triggers, an overeager talent manager maybe. We're the only people on set this late, which means you must be doing this. This. Wow. That is really starting to hurt. Could you at least turn it down a little? Nope. Not going another round at this. I'm leaving, and since the front door is all smoke and mirrors, I'll just have to go out a window or something. Stop following me. It's so obvious. You've got a soundboard strapped on your thigh or something, and I'm done. The second I get out of here, I'm calling whoever it takes to get you fired. I don't care how cute you are. You're gonna... What happened to the set? Would you just lay it off already? There's no way you switched out the entire set for this sitcom apartment while I was actively glaring daggers at you. Which means this is a collective effort. The whole crew thinks they can pull one over on me right at the end of my contract. No, I'm not falling for it. Come on out, everyone. Your joke was dead on arrival. Stop trying to sell it. I'm serious. I'm that why are my ears bleeding? How are you doing that? Why would you do any of this? This is just straight up assault. I need to sit down. And you, my precious little sound editor, are going to sit right here with me. And I am not letting you out of my sight until the cops are dragging your butt to jail. Just sit on the stupid sitcom couch. Something tells me it's the only chair around here. Alright, here we are. Clearly exactly where you wanted us. What's next? Fine. Say for a second that I did believe you. You're totally innocent. Someone's pranking both of us. What do we have to do to leave? You're useless. Oh, I'm sorry. Was that a little mean? Almost like I've been in a soundproof box for hours after shooting ended. At the bequest of the most fantastic sound tech I've ever met. Just be quiet. I'm still trying to get the ringing out of my ears from the bleeps. This is literally the opposite of being quiet. What are you? Oh. You're right. The teleprompter is on. Wait, is that what this is? You don't get it. Come on, I thought you were some kind of tech nerd. You can't put two and two together? Well, clearly someone wants us to do a little acting for the camera. I'm going to stop you right there. I want to go home, which means you are going to play along. The faster we run through whatever stupid script our prankster wrote up, the faster I get out of here. Shush, we're doing it. Wow, it sure is raining out there. It sure is raining out there. Did you at least get the pizza? God, I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh well, as long as I have you, I'll be fine. Aww. Wait, no. I draw the line at a kissing scene. Well, that was before I knew it was gonna make me kiss you. Yes, I've kissed my co-stars before. That's different. There, happy? Really? A buzzer and everything? Fine, come here. Easy there, Casanova. We've got to save some thing for the bedroom, don't we? By the way, did I taste pineapple? How is that even a joke? Cuddle up? I'd love to. Look at us snuggled up together, sharing an apartment. 3 months ago, if you had told me I'd be pressed up against the most perfect partner I could ever ask for, I'd have assumed I adopted a dog. Okay, that one felt a little necky, but oh well. Wait, what? Oh, hell no. I'm not saying that. Because I don't. Words have meaning, and I'm not going to pour my soul into a flat-out lie. Again, yes, I have done this on camera. On a real camera, for a real movie, and not some stupid prank set. I'm not gonna... Whoa. Alright, I'll do it. I love you too, honey bun. Aww. Shut up. That's not on the teleprompter. I'm only blushing because I commit to my roles. Don't read into it. I don't like you. You aren't even on my level. What with your cute face and stubborn persistence and genuine affection for those close to you. Don't look at me like that. Just go back to... Oh, the teleprompter is off. That's good. We can just... Hey, can you see those credits rolling behind us? Okay, good to know. I'm not literally going insane, but how is that possible? You know, I'm starting to think that maybe this isn't a prank. Right, we've still got sound effects. Yeah, I really thought they'd go away once. Wait, what's happening? Why is everything zooming out? Why aren't you panicking? This is at best a mutual drugging experience. The camera is panning away. The show is gonna end soon, and honestly, I have no idea what that entails for us. You have no reason to believe that. This entire thing has been cursed. For all we know, when the show ends, we end. Don't try to comfort me. I'm scared. Like, actually scared. And platitudes from the sound tech. You know what? I'll say it. The sound tech I really like. Yeah, that's right. I have a reverse celebrity crush on you. That's the whole reason I agreed to stay late. And now we're gonna die, so I need you to know. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't want it to be too obvious, so I played it up. The whole hissy superstar thing. Really? If that is going to be the last thing I ever hear, I suppose that's not the worst thing it could have been. I wish I had told you sooner. Maybe then we'd... Oh no, the credits. They're ending. It's all fading to black. Please, just hold me. I don't want to die alone. I don't. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment and watch another video. If you'd like to donate, I have my Ko-fi linked below and my Patreon for early access videos and exclusive audios for the higher tiers. And come check out the Discord. Noblesse oblige. Thank you for your continuing service as my subscriber.